Egypt Air Flight 990 was a tragic aviation disaster that occurred on October 31, 1999, while traveling from Los Angeles to Cairo. The Boeing 767-300ER aircraft had 217 people on board, none of whom survived. A flight took off normally and everything seemed fine. However, as the plane flew over the ocean, it suddenly lost control due to either a technical issue or human intervention. According to the black box recording, a strange conversation took place between the captain and co pilot. The captain repeatedly said, I have faith in Allah, while co pilot, in a state of panic, kept asking what was happening and whether the engines had been shut down. The plane started descending rapidly, and within moments a powerful explosion was heard before the aircraft crashed into the ocean. Investigations suggested that the crash might have been a deliberate act, but the exact cause was never fully confirmed. This remains one of the most tragic incidents in aviation history where all passengers and crew members lost their lives. Here is the recording that was being recorded by Black Box.